Well, it's that time of year again. It's my birthday. So I figured maybe I'll make myself a cake. In the past, I remember seeing this vintage recipe for something called a bologna cake, and it looked so exciting. But I thought, what if instead of a bologna cake, I make a salami cake, because I just love salami. Okay, let's give it a go. Grab a bowl and grab your salami. We're making cake. I'm using a tub of whipped cream cheese. Throw in that bowl 2 tablespoons of grated onion, a tablespoon of Worcestershire. Give that a mix. You need a slice of salami and spread on that spread. Salami and more spread. We're going to use that whole packet of salami. Well, would you look at that? Now I need to spread the rest of that cream cheese frosting around the whole thing. That sure is purty. And now it's time to decorate it with some spray cheese. J for Jim. Salami cake. Serve with some crackers. Happy birthday to me. That's a tasty cake. I'll give it a 5.9 out of 10. What do you say to a toilet on its birthday? Happy bidet.